Hey guys, it's Ro, and today I'm going to be doing the Dollar Tree Slime Challenge. This challenge is pretty self-explanatory. All you have to do is go to the Dollar Tree and pick up some material to make some slime. For this video, I'm going to be collaborating with Kawaii Days. I will leave the link to her video in the description box down below. And also, please stick to the end of this video if you want to see me test out a slime kit I found at the Dollar Tree. So without any further ado, let's get started on the video. So from the Dollar Tree, I picked up this bowl and a spatula, shaving cream, some glue. I'm just using this jot kind because that's what they sold at my local Dollar Tree. And for my activator, I'm going to be using this Tide laundry detergent. So the first thing I'm going to do is just pour in my glue. Oh, what is this? I think it's some sort of seal to prevent leaking. Oh, yay, I got it. Okay, now I'm going to pour in my glue. Okay, so from what I can see, this glue is really liquidy, so I don't know what to think of it. Maybe it'll make a jiggly slime? I'm not sure. So now I will just activate. Wait, it's blue? I thought it was going to be clear. Oh well. I think that's good enough. Ooh, pretty. Oh, I think it's forming, so I'm just going to mix it a little bit more and I will be back when the slime is all formed. And here is my finished slime. What I'm noticing is that it's super slippery and it leaves a sort of wet residue on my fingers. I don't know, I just don't really like the slime. And moving on, I'm going to be making fluffy slime. So obviously the first thing I will be needing to do is just to pour in my glue. And just a little disclaimer, I still have some detergent inside my bowl from the last DIY. So, anyways, now I'm just going to pour in my glue. And you can't have fluffy slime without shaving cream, so I'm just going to be adding that in right now. And just so that I can tell the slimes apart, I'm going to be adding in some pink food coloring. Now I'm just going to stir everything together. Okay, time for some activator. And this is the finished fluffy slime. I really don't like it. One, because I overactivated it, and two, it still has the same wet residue as the other slime. So this is the slime kit that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. It is called Guzuka, so let's just open it. And this kit came with a set of instructions, a popsicle stick, and some guar gum. So the instructions said to add in some water, as well as some of the guar gum. So now I'm just going to stir everything together. Now I'm just going to be activating with my sodium tetraborate. So I have been mixing for a good 5 minutes now and nothing is forming, so I'm going to have to say that this slime kit failed. Well, probably because I didn't use exact measurements, but still, it failed for me. Thanks for watching me do the Dollar Tree Slime Challenge. We hope you enjoyed. We'll see you all next week. Bye!